Yes, good afternoon, Boracay Sunset, Front Beach. Shout out dyan sa lahat natin mga beloved followers, viewers. Just like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Ayan, sunset time. Ayan, guys, shout out sa inyo lahat yan. Friday time. Ayan. Guys, sunset. Good afternoon. Baka sino gusto magpunta ng Boracay para sailing. Ayan. Sunset time. Ayan guys. Ganda ng view ngayon ng sunset sailing. Ayan. Ayan guys, bilog na bilog yung sunset. Ayan. Okay guys, thank you so much.